In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. If you're a business owner or someone responsible for billing, you know just how crucial it is to have your invoices in perfect order before sending them out to clients. A Proforma invoice is essentially an estimate or a preliminary bill that you send to your customers before the actual sale is completed, helping you detail the anticipated costs. So, let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, your entire workplace at Zoho Books should become familiar, especially if you've used it before. Now, navigate to the Sales tab. You'll find this tab on the left-hand side of the page, and once you're there, select the option labeled Quotes. This is because, in Zoho Books, quotes are used as a basis for creating Proforma invoices. With that context in mind, you should now click on the plus sign button labeled New. This button will allow you to begin the creation of a new quote, and consequently, your Proforma invoice. With the form now open in front of you, the first piece of information you'll need to enter is your customer's details. Begin by typing in their name and any relevant contact information. It's important to ensure that these details are accurate, as this will form the basis of whom the Proforma invoice is sent to and addressed. After entering the customer's information, it's time to add the items or services you're dealing with. Detail each item's description, its quantity, and the price. These details are crucial as they give your customer a clear picture of what to expect on the final invoice and the prospective costs involved. Once the items or services have been added, turn your attention to the tax settings. Here, you'll select the appropriate taxation rules that apply to your situation. Doing this accurately ensures there are no surprises later down the line, both for you and for the client in terms of billing. After ensuring all details have been meticulously filled out, it's time to review everything. Pay attention to the items, pricing, and tax settings to ensure they reflect the agreement and expectations with your client. Upon satisfaction with the review, you can click on Save if you wish to keep it as a draft or Save and Send, which will send the document directly to the customer. For an added touch of professionalism, customize the PDF template to have Proforma Invoice as the title instead of the default quote. You can do this by going into the settings, then selecting PDF templates, giving your document that extra polish. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books, streamlining your billing process with confidence.